In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Pinterest password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. We know how important it is to keep your account secure, and sometimes that means needing to check or even update your password on platforms like Pinterest. So the first thing you need to do is open the Pinterest app or website and sign in if you're not already logged in. Just enter your credentials like you normally would. Once you're signed in, you'll want to look for the menu. It's conveniently located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that menu. You'll see a list of options pop up, and from there you're going to want to select the Toptions option. This is where you can manage a lot of your account details. When you're in the Settings menu, take a look for an option that says Account Management. This is an essential section as it contains all the information related to your account. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a few options related to managing your account as a whole. Now that you're in Account Management, it's time to find the section that deals specifically with your password. Look for the Passwords section, which is typically easy to spot. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Change. Here's where it gets important. If you remember your current password, you'll need to enter it now. This step is crucial because it verifies that you indeed have access to the account and are authorized to make changes. So go ahead and type in your current password in the space provided. If you've forgotten your current password, don't worry. Pinterest has a process to help you reset it, but for now, we're focusing on checking and changing it. If you do remember, great. Now that you've entered the current password, let's move on to creating a new one. In the next field, you'll enter your new password. It's good practice to create a password that is strong and unique, mixing letters, numbers, and special characters if possible. This helps keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Take your time and make sure it's something you can remember but isn't easy to guess. After entering your new password, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter it again. This is just to ensure that you didn't make any typing errors the first time around. Go ahead and type your new password in that field as well. Once you're all set with both entries completed, look for the button that says Change Password. This is your final step, so make sure to click it. Once you do, Pinterest will update your password, and just like that, you've successfully checked and changed your password. Congratulations! Always remember, it's a good habit to periodically update your passwords and ensure your account security. Now, if you followed this process and encountered any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help you troubleshoot any problems. And that wraps up today's instructional video on how to check your Pinterest password. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the future, and as always, happy pinning!